Don't even have to say it. You know what the goal is. We're trying to make money here. We've got to do this all different ways. So lately, there have been a lot of good online sales. That's where the most profit's been. So before we head out today, let's go check some of these online sales. Let me tell you what you need to be looking for. Let's get to it. You guys know that traditionally we do a lot of our sourcing in stores. We go to places like Ross, places like Burlington, and places like Marshall to look for socks, shoes, clothes, and anything else that we can find off of the shelves or on the rack. But when we don't find some of these things, what do? What do we do when we aren't seeing these high profitable items appear in store? We have to change our approach. We have to turn to online. Places online are having a lot of sales right now because it's a little bit past the new year. They're trying to move a lot of inventory that they have from the December, January, February month. It doesn't help us on a place like Amazon, but a place like Macy's, a place like Kohl's, places like that are trying to get rid of their winter inventory for pennies on the dollar. That's where we can come in. We can source these items online, find the profitable items, buy them, and then resell them on eBay or on Amazon for their original price or marked up. All right, real fast, let's look at some of those items that we got in. You guys saw it. This is probably my favorite item right here. This yellow-orange Under Armour hoodie. We're ungated in Under Armour now, so we can sell this stuff on Amazon. If you guys can see that original tag, $60 on this hoodie. But we only paid $19.50 per hoodie, and we've got all of these listed on Amazon for the lowest price at $52.99. Next item is this Under Armour USA shirt. Now, all of this stuff was called out in Juiced. You can't get it anymore. The sale is over. You missed out because you're not in Juiced. If you were, you would have saw all of this stuff. If you guys want to join up, join using the link down in the description. I promise you, you could have got steals like this and paid for 3 or 4 months worth of membership just off of this Kohl's sale. This is why you got to be in the group. This Under Armour shirt right here, this regular price, you guys can see MSRP, $25. We've got the lowest listing right now on Amazon at $26.99. Those are some of the items that you guys need to be looking for online. Those are the sites that you need to be checking. I am posting them in Juice, but be on the lookout for all of these good sales that are going on. Now, let's go have some fun. Let's get in the car. Let's go do some in-store sourcing, see what we can find tonight. Let's get to it. I don't trust him out that much. Ross. I've been hearing some rumblings that there's some Ultra Boost, stuff like that laying around Ross's, so let's go see what we can find. Also, we're ungated in Under Armour now, so let's go see if we can find anything good in there. All right, so let's take a look at these black Nikes that we just saw. We saw that they were going in Ross for $39.99. So we type that SKU number into eBay, and then we filter by shoes sold. That's all we want to see. And we go through and look, and we see prices ranging from $25 to $55, even upwards of $60 on some. Now, whenever you calculate in shipping price, fees, and everything like that, the margins on this one simply aren't worth it. So we are not going to go for these. We're going to put these back on the shelf. Now, these are a little bit different than the typical eBay product that we're looking up. These are things that we're looking up on Amazon. So we're using our Scout app here to go in and look and see what the prices are on these Rick and Morty socks. At $5.99 cost and $3.50 shipping, we're going to net $2.41 on profit. So let's pick up any pairs that we can find of these Rick and Morty socks. All right, let's check out this other pack of Under Armour socks here. You guys can see we can get these for $9.99, list them for $22 even, and our net profit is $4.70 per. That's an ROI of almost 50%. Let's pick these up. All right, another Amazon pickup to look up. You guys can just see that we're just scanning that barcode, and then it pulls up this SKU number for us inside of the app. So this is for those Nike green soccer socks. We looked those up. Obviously, that's a cheap cost of like, what was it, $3.99 or something like that. $3.99, $3.50 shipping. You guys can see if we list them at $12.05, we're going to net $2.51 per pair. So let's go ahead and get a couple pair of these green Nike socks. So as you guys see, these men's Nike Vapor Edge football cleats are going inside of Burlington for $24.99. A quick search into eBay and filtering by recent shoes sold shows that these go anywhere upwards of $100 to $150. These are a cop. Unfortunately, looking at comps of these Nike Menace Pro 3 cleats, these comps just aren't going to cut it. We are going to have to put these back on the shelf. I think this may be the find of the night right here. These Nike Huarache cleats going for $19.99 inside of Burlington. Look at these comps that we found on eBay. These are a great pickup. Let's get both pair in store.